Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. You don't know, back in the music club, and I hit and smashing up. Bang, I know people. You already know what we already know what I do today. Yeah, man, fancy funny title. Yeah, man. We're back in the music club with the world boss himself. You know, one of my favorite artists of all time. You know what I'm saying? The world boss himself, the teacher. You don't know, Vybz Kartel. This one entitled "Come Sit Down." You know what I'm saying? He dropped this one like 10 days ago, and if I'm titled, definitely I think this one is gonna be for the girls. You don't know. Yeah, man, can't tell from the title. But well, check it out and see what my deal with. But you don't know. Yo, Dan Mafia. Yo, big up on yourself. You know what I'm saying? Clap it up for yourself. You're only 17 away from 2K. So, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you. I appreciate y'all have been active in the comments, you know, active in the likes, all that. You don't know, so I appreciate all that. So if you're new to the channel, I hope that you go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, turn on post notification bell, become part of the family. There's me be a vibes and energy over here. So you don't know. The channel is growing strong. You don't know. We once we 2K, we're like 17 away from 2K. So once we 2K, we're going straight to 10K. We're not even stopping at 5K. So hit the like and subscribe button, join the family, become part of the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I look out for the lives and check the community tabs and all that. You know, lives coming. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Yeah, tell you what, check out the tune by the teacher, the world boss himself. Yeah, man, I talk about me and none other than Vybz Kartel, and this one is entitled "Come Sit Down." Not to hold up the vibe much longer. Let's get it.
Oh shit, let's call my best friend.
I tell you, so this one different for the girls, you know what I'm saying? So we see what I'm going. What you dolly, eh?
Best friend, guess what? Tell me why this blood shot man just called me, yeah, and he sent me a text talking about, oh, come sit down on his buddy. So, you know, I gotta go over there and shoot the boy cocky down in my throat and broke his heart.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, the thing they share going with? We like those. You know what I'm saying? I didn't think they share going with.
Oh, yes, girl, broke it. Sit down on that body there, like.
Yeah.
Diamond, your body have the best designer.
Easy no mama. Hey, yeah, cause have the best designer, hey.
Tip on your to a whining time now. Boring gal, I know your time. Go! All of the good as them a for your time now. Come sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Happy and you love it, girl, the pussy that's a gummy. Come sit down on the body.
He's a woman wanna play. Hey.
Now sit down on the body, sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Happy and you love it, girl, the pussy that's a gummy. Your man love you when he not let you go. And that you good it have the glory of the Lord. I wanna turn around and fuck you like a dog.
Oh, let's turn around and fuck you like that. Hey, he's you know, wanna go at someone, yo. Then think you make one,
jump on your back and spread you like a frog. Goody, body, girl, you so blessed. Tick it, tack it, like a Rolex. Hip up, buy up, do them, boy them, oh yo, grip it, body, show them. Yes, girl, you.
Hold them, mama. Ah, go on, easy, no. Yeah.
No man, rental. Yes, girl, you no smell rent, girl. Best girl cleaner than dental.
Yes, girl, you no smell rent, girl. Best girl cleaner than dental. I can't tell you easy lyrics though. Yeah, mama, go on, no, mama. Hey, mama working for every dollar she pay her, boy.
One thing me want you show them how feel. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Happy and you love it, girl, the pussy that's a gummy. Come sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body.
I'm a good man, you know what I'm saying?
Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Happy and you love it, girl, the pussy that's a gummy. Body business, you got the lock, girl. Love all your squat, girl. Sit down on the cock, girl. Front.
Yeah, that body business. You got the lock, girl. Love all your squat, girl. Sit down on it. Hey, easy now.
We a girl, all from back girl. Brown girl, pum pum, or black girl. Sisling, kukum kum, or fat girl. Suck the cocky babes.
And that's why you look like Kartel. Look how Kartel make girl song for girl. You know what I'm saying? Most of them money make it. You know what I'm saying? Everything girl song is, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man.
Or not, girl. Do what you want. cause you a bad girl. Me I go a Bellevue, go pick up 2 mad girls. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Happy and you love it, girl, the pussy that's a gummy.
Easy. Mama, hey, mama, shake like a earthquake, the blood clean.
Come sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Happy and you love it, girl, the pussy that's a gummy. Yeah, man, love you when they not let you go. Under your good bit of the glory of the Lord. I wanna turn you around and fuck you like a dog. I put you up on your back and spread you like a frog.
That was good. I wanna turn you around. And I got... Where's the lies?
Goody, girl, you're so blessed. Tick it, tack it, like a Rolex. Hip up, buy up, do them, boy it, oh yo, grip it, body, show them. Yes, girl, you know man rental. Yes, girl, you know smell rent, girl. Best girl cleaner than death tall. I one thing me when you show them how they do. Sit down on the body now, sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now.
Hey. Go on, man. Video mad, man. You know what I mean? Now go on.
Sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now. Sit down on the body. Happy and
I be that girl, I'm do. I play the song and that's all I'm do. The word.
You love it, girl. The pussy that's a gummy. Come sit down on the body now. Sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now. Sit down on the body. Sit down on the body now. Sit down on the body. Happy and you love
Easy.
it, girl. The pussy that's a gummy.
Hey, you don't know? Yeah, man. That's the world boss. New video. Come sit down. The one there for the girls. Them. Ladies, let me know anything about the one there. You know what I'm saying? If you like it, definitely show the artists some love and support. You know, making sure Jambisco dance, you know, making sure we're strong over here. So, but yeah, man. Let me know what you think about that one, ladies. That was for y'all. I know y'all must love that one. You know what I'm saying? That was a banger. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Mama, do I think in that video that, you know, let me know what was your favorite part for the guys. You know what I'm saying? I love how Mama go in that video done. Yeah, man. So, do I think, man. Yeah, man, guys, you don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. You don't know. Drop in the comment section. Drop a request, all that. Let me know what you want to react to. If you like it. Also, let me know what you think about this. If you like it, show the artist some love and support. I don't know. We're going strong over here, man. Yo, we're like 17 away from 2K. And once we 2K, we're going straight to 10K. We're even stopping at 5K. That's how we are doing it now. Yeah, man, because the family and the army is strong over here. So if you're new, you don't know if you do. Hit that like, and subscribe, and join the family. You join the army. We're going strong over here. Going straight. Yo, straight to 10K. Road to 10K. Once we get that 17. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man, guys, I don't know. It's about Jambisco. I was here and I hit that smash on a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.